Trying to learn Android app development on Coursera, but you're not sure which course is actually worth your time? In this video, I'll show you how to find the best Android development courses on Coursera fast and avoid wasting time on the wrong program. Quick heads up, Coursera Plus Annual is currently discounted to $80 for the whole year for a limited time offer. So if you plan to take multiple courses and earn certificates, that can be one of the cheapest legit options. First, go to Coursera and don't just search Android. Use specific keywords like Android app development, Android Studio, Kotlin for Android, Jetpack Compose, or Android development for beginners. This helps you find courses that actually match your goal instead of random mobile topics. Next, use the filters the right way. Decide if you want a professional certificate, a specialization, or just one beginner course. If your goal is to get job ready, certificates and specializations usually give you a clearer learning path than picking random courses. Then check the skill level. If you're brand new, choose beginner. If you already know basic programming, choose intermediate. Also look at language and subtitles because subtitles can make technical lessons way easier to follow. Before enrolling, open the course page and check what tools they teach. The best modern Android courses usually include Kotlin, Android Studio, and newer UI approaches like Jetpack Compose. If the course looks outdated or only focuses on very old Android methods, it might still teach basics, but it won't match current industry style. Finally, preview the syllabus. Check how many weeks it takes, how much time per week, and whether it includes hands-on assignments or a final project. If there's a project, that's a good sign, because you'll finish with something you can actually show in your portfolio. If you want to find the best Android courses faster and see which ones are included in Coursera Plus, I'll put my link in the description so you can check the cheapest official pricing in your country.